Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I've been off YouTube for a very long time now, but I'm back, though not fully back. So I'm bringing you guys an update to show you guys what the Onuimo to Abia Tower road now looks like. The road was renamed to Reverend Umuahia Way. It's a 4-lane dual carriage road, and as you can see, it's fully completed, and you can see how sparkling it is, the street lights in it, and how beautiful this road now looks like. So kindly watch the video down to the end to see for yourself how very sharp this road is now looking like. My bro, if you pass through this road some years ago, before the administration came in, before the administration of His Excellency Dr. Alex Choma Otti, before he came into power, you understand, this road was was narrow, was very small. It was just double lane, a whole lot of go slow, and people just got tired, stressed out whenever they passed through, whenever they drove through this road. But now all those things, they are things of the past now. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you watch the video and you find it interesting, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So this road was I think it was commissioned, flagged off. This road was flagged off in 2024 December. That was when this road was flagged off, and we are in 2026 and it has been commissioned. It was commissioned some days ago by the executive governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Alex Choma C. Otti Oji Uzo Emogo Oji Uzo Edozi Abia 1 of Abia State. So guys, what do you think about the road? Let me know in the comment section. The executive governor of Abia State, he once mentioned that all the roads leading into the beautiful state, the God's own state, the state where Ihena Ademma, which is Abia State, he mentioned that he's going to construct all the roads, reconstruct all the bad roads leading into the states, and he's actually keeping to his word. As you can see, the Ekotepene road is also under construction. So if you're coming in from Imo State, you drive through 7.5, you keep coming down, then you get to Onuimo. You are connecting Oza. Then if you're coming from inside town or any other part, maybe from Abia, and you are going to you want to go to Owerri from Umuahia, you coming from Abia, you understand, but Umuahia, the moment you get to Abia Tower, you locate this road. From Abia Tower, you drive down to Onuimo, Malaysia Market. From there, Jewaro Wagima, Ihito, Boma, Ham, Obo, all of them. So the road is good now. You can see our state is now shining. Good roads everywhere. Kudos to the executive governor of Abia State. We thank you, Your Excellency, for choosing to work, for keeping to your words, and not letting Abians down. In a manner, you find a IG where they proud. Some years ago, you wouldn't be proud of your state. Sini wonya Abia state and even aga on banaketa leave. So kudos to our executive governor. And if for me in a manner, I know be down your thoughts. So you see street lights here, so that in the night, if you're driving, you see about no connect your wage ozom bise to Owerri. And the Mbise to Owerri road is very okay. The governor of Imo State has read those are very okay. So you see Imo State, we na Abia State, those always gawa just about what I'm not again anything. Man, okwa kifo speed though. Okwa kifo speed. Man, those are the okay. Man, okwa kifo speed. So guys, if you haven't subscribed again, please kindly click the subscribe button, the notification bell above, and then be expecting updates on the Ekotepene road, the road leading to Akwa Ibom from Umuahia Abia State.